Joseph Hoffman, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to play my late elementary version of The Mandalorian, perfect for anyone with about 1 to 2 years of piano experience. If you're looking for something easier, check out my early elementary tutorial. Okay, let's come to the piano to get started. Let's start with the playthrough, and don't forget you can get your own copy of the sheet music using the link provided. Here we go from the start. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's dive into learning this. Find your position. Left hand 3 starts on A, right hand starts right here. Getting the rhythms correct will be really important in this piece. So let's put in the counts here. We start on the and of beat 4, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4 and... Now, if the counting feels annoying, you can also think and slow and slow and quick, quick, slow and slow and slow and quick, quick, slow. See that pattern? And that can be just as good as counting sometimes if you just think of a phrase or something to say in your head that helps you get it right. Now, pause if you'd like some time to work on measures 1 through 4. Just notice how the right hand's just going back and forth between these two chords while the left hand's just hanging out on that A. Pause if you'd like some time to work on that. Otherwise, going on to measure 5, we have this 1 and then 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you try. Good. Then the right hand plays a chord here, E and G. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Let's take a look at just the left hand. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. That tie carries that note across, and again, the counting will help you get the rhythms just right. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Now you try. Good, and then the right hand has 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Putting it together, 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Pause if you'd like some time to work on that. Otherwise, let's keep going. The right hand plays this chord again. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you try. Good, and that ties across. That note we landed on there holds 3, 4, 1, and then 2 and 3, 4. Notice the thumbs take a turn, 2 and 3, 4. Now you try. Good, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So it finishes up with this, and 3 and 4. Now you try. Good, and then going on, 1, 2. Notice the right hand has this chord with finger 5 and 3, and then both notes step down, so then you're on a 2 and 4. 5, 3, then 2, 4. It's a little tricky, now you try. Just practice going back and forth between this and this. And using these fingerings is really important to get this right. And then the left hand plays C, B natural. 1, 2, 3. We hold that for 2 beats because it's a half note. And then skip down. And then this. So all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And notice all those accent symbols mean to play those notes with extra punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now you try. Good. Pause anytime if you need extra practice, because I'm going kind of quick. I mean, depending on your skill level. And just take all the time you need. Then the left hand plays this C, A by itself. Hold across the bar line with that tie. And then you'll notice this 3 inside a bracket. That just means that these notes are part of a triplet, which means we're pushing 3 notes into the space of 2 beats. So they'll go a little bit faster than you expect for quarter notes. And 1, ba, 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 ba. So let's break that apart. Finger 2 is going to play this B flat, and to have your finger 1 reach a black key, instead of twisting your hand, which will usually feel very awkward, just glide your hand forward on the keys, and then you'll notice your thumb can reach really easily. 2, then 1 comes up to this E flat, right hand finger 1 has to shift up to this G, then the left hand 1 plays E natural, then 2 plays A, 4 plays C sharp. All together we get bum, 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 left, left, right, right. So the left hand plays 2 notes, the right hand plays 1 note, then the left hand plays 1 note, the right hand plays 2 notes. Bum, 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 bum. Now you try. Good. Pause if you need extra time on that. And then we get this chord. And then the finger 1 has to just shift down to that F. You're going to play it like this. And then pick up your thumb and just move it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Good. Then going on. Bum, 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 bum. Let's do that with counting. 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Now you try. Notice the left hand's just this chord. So 4th. And then the right hand plays this chord, E flat and G flat, while the left hand rests. Rest, ti ti ta, ti ti ta, ti ti boo. Or 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. The right hand has to play that D flat with your finger 1. Again, to get your finger 1 on a black key, just move your hand forward so it's more comfortable. So let's look at this part again. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now you try. Good. Going on to measure 23. Right hand plays D and G. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3. And we're going to stop right there on beat 3. One more time. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3. Now you try. Good. Then the left hand has these little 2 eighth note patterns. T, T, A down to G. T, T, ta, T, T, ta, T, T. So that B flat A pattern. So let's start halfway through measure 24. The right hand just played this D. 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Now you try. Good. And now the really triumphant sounding part. 1, 2, and 3. The left hand's going to shift down to this chord right here, D and A. The right hand's playing this D and G. 1, 2, and 3. Now you try. Good. Let's add in the left hand. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3. Now you try. Good. And then while the left hand holds that, the right hand comes back in. Slower. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Now you try. The left hand plays its little thing again. Dum, bum, bum, bum. Then notice the left hand shifts down here. But let's just look at the right hand for a second. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, tu. Now you try. Good. Then with the left hand, again, we were here. We step down to this C, G chord. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, 1, 2. Now you try. Good. Always feel free to pause if you need extra practice. And then ti, ti, ta. The left hand has to shift back up. Finger 1 comes to the C. Bum, 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 bum. Ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ta, ta. Now you try. Good. Then while the left hand is holding that, the right hand plays a chord. And then the two hands play a chord together while we're crescendoing. And then back to this. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Same thing we just had. So I'm not going to stop to work on it. And then we get soft again here. Bum, bum, bum. Ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ta. Ta, ti, ta. And then notice here, let's look at just the right hand, starting at the pickup notes to measure 40. Ti, ti, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got a little bit of a stretch from D to B flat. Our finger 5 moves up to B flat and then back to D, A. Right there. Okay? Now, and the left hand is just playing this B flat G. So back to the pickup to 40. T, T, 1, 2, 3, 4. Building. Getting louder, louder, and then fortissimo. 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fermata, you can hold it as long as you want. So notice we get up to a fortissimo in measure 43. And then that diminuendo means gradually get softer. So we're very loud and then just gradually fading away a little bit at a time. 3, 4 to pianissimo. Now I'll do one more full playthrough at a practice tempo with counting out loud. You're welcome to try playing along. You could just do one hand at a time, or both hands if you want to challenge, or you can just listen. Here's a practice tempo all the way through. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 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 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Softer. hope you enjoyed learning to play The Mandalorian. Thanks for watching and learning with me, and see you next time. Hey, Chef, I got one for you. Okay. What did the Mandalorian farmer say after leading his horse to a big pile of straw? What? This is the hay.